Kisumu hoye!
Ni hĩndĩ ya kuheana mbeca kũrĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ rungu rwa mũtaratara wa Nyota kaunti-inĩ ya Kisumu, kũrĩa mũtongoria wa bũrũri William RUTO okĩrĩire atongoria mũng'ethanĩro, akiuga amwe ao ni manyitire itemi kũgũithia tabarĩra itiganĩte cia ũkũria wa bũrũri.
Mimi naona viongozi wengine wanasema mambo mengi, wanajaribu kutupatia lecture ya mambo ya education system. We want to tell them we are fixing your mess. You messed the education system. There were no teachers in class. There was inadequate capitation. There was no enough money for universities and TVET. 21 universities were facing closure because of insolvency.
Mwenene wake munini wake Profesa Kithure Kindiki akioya kanya kau gutetera tabarĩra cia thirikari ta waki wa nyumba cia raithi na mũtaratara wa SHA.
Nyota is just one of the initiatives. We have other initiatives in digital jobs, in affordable housing jobs, in overseas jobs, and I am sure through your administration, Mr. President, we are going to witness the transformation of millions of young people in your first term as you look towards your second term of your administration.
Oho mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa ODM Oburu Odinga nĩ augĩte kĩama kĩu nĩ gĩkũgĩa na mĩario na kĩama kĩa UDA mbere ya gĩthurano kĩa mwaka wa 2027 gũkũ akinyũrũria rĩtana rĩa mĩrũrũngano bũrũri-inĩ, mĩario ĩrĩa nyitĩtwo mbaru nĩ gavana wa Homa Bay Gladys Wanga.
Niliona jana kuna wengine wamesema ati sasa wanajitayarisha kwa sababu hawana mipango, hawana agenda, hawana chochote, ati wanajitayarisha kutengeneza maandamano. Ati wanataka watengeneze maandamano, ati sasa waete maandamano, ati sasa watu waende maandamano. Sisi tunawaambia we are not boarding.
Atongoria maugĩte marongoreirie ũthii wa na mbere na kũgacĩrithia mĩtũrĩre ya Kenya gũkũ makinyũrũria mũng'ethanĩro nĩ kũingĩria ũteti harĩ tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere.
Your Excellency, together we are working at ensuring that the total budgetary allocations for our youth in the country rises up to about 15%. Together with the allocations that we are putting in the education sector of about 30% of our total budget. Your Excellency, I just want to reaffirm your support to our youth.
Wacha wangine waongea. What you are doing here and what the PS has explained to me, and I've done my PhD, is even better than a PhD. Umeenda kwa ground and you are going to raise these youngsters to become the next entrepreneurs of Kenya.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Edwin Mbuga.
Lakini jua bidii tunazoza.